Hi guys, it's Jessie here. I am back with a humongous grocery haul. I went over budget again. I bought a ton of stuff. It's all mishmashed on the table. Walmart stuff mixed with Aldi stuff, so I'll kind of go through as we go and point out what's from where. Let's get started. So, stocked up on bread. I got a couple of loaves of white bread here from Aldi, as well as some hamburger buns. We're pretty much all out of bread. Also from Aldi, I picked up a bag of potatoes. I got some spreadable butter. We were all out of that. Picked up a couple of these Happy Farms cheese wedges. I got the original and the garlic and herb. These are really, really good.
Ooh, can't wait to try the garlic and herb.
Got some sour cream. Picked up this from Aldi. I hadn't seen this before. It's French onion soup. Hopefully it's really good. We bought the one from GFS a couple of weeks ago and it was okay. But it was much more expensive than this one, so if this one's better, we'll stock up on that. The kids are home for spring break this week, so I bought some super easy stuff for them to make for lunches. We got some mac and cheese. They're both pretty good cooks, but, you know, might as well make it easy on them. Some ground chicken for tacos this week. Also picked up a big pack of chicken breasts. A couple of boxes of Pop-Tarts to have on hand for them for easy breakfast options this week.
That's in the fridge or freezer.
Fridge. Picked up some of these Triscuit crackers and some Wheat Thins. I've got some pancake mix, and I also picked up this protein pancake mix. I thought this would be good for Robbie. He's always wanting to add protein into his diet, and for me as well. From Walmart, I picked up our cereal, so I got a great big bag of the Honey Graham toasters, which you guys know is like my husband's favorite. And then I also got some Fruity Pebbles. Again, kids are going to be home this week, so wanted to have lots of easy stuff for them on hand. Also picked up some frozen pizzas with that in mind, so I have a pepperoni, a combination, and a supreme. They're all thin crust. From Aldi, I picked up these little mini sweet peppers. Those are great for snacking on. I also picked up these Cara oranges. Cara, I'm not really sure how you say that, but they're supposed to be really good. I've never actually had them, but we'll see. From Aldi, got some Pink Lady apples, some Sugar Snap peas, romaine lettuce for salads, a few bell peppers. This one's really puny, but they didn't have a huge selection. I guess the crop must still not be all that great, but that's fine. We ran out of a lot of our condiments, so I had to pick up some ketchup, some Miracle Whip, also some ranch dressing. We needed some more pancake syrup, chicken nuggets for the kids. Got some of these potato puffs. Those are amazing in the air fryer. What else is from Aldi here? The milk is from Aldi. This canola oil spray. I picked up some protein powder for Robbie. He really likes the chocolate, so he's going to try out the vanilla now. And I think everything else that I have here on the table was from Walmart. So I got a case of Coke and a case of root beer. Oh, this grapefruit water is from Aldi. Picked up a slab of ribs. My husband can do those on the grill this week. Some mild banana pepper rings. That's to doctor up that supreme pizza. Some New York style rye bread. Really had been craving a patty melt, so I'm hoping my husband will make me one of those this week. Couple of things of coffee creamer. I was all stocked up, but my husband needed a refill, so got that. A package of English muffins. We needed some more tuna, so I picked up a 4-pack of that. A can of our favorite coffee. We were all out of our dishwasher detergent. I got some paper plates there, some paper towels, and some toilet paper. So I definitely went over budget this week, but I got a lot of really great stuff. We're all stocked up for spring break. So, yeah, I'm not too mad at myself for going over budget. Anyway. anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye!